Moonlight, Summer Moonlight by Emily Jane Bronte. This moonlight, summer moonlight, all soft and still and fair. The solemn hour of midnight breathes sweet thoughts everywhere. But most where trees are sending their breezy boughs on high, or stooping low are lending a shelter from the sky. And there in those wild bowers, a lovely form is laid. Green grass and dew-steeped flowers wave gently round her head. Thank you very much for listening to CureQuotes with CynthMD. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful day.